Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the third in a series where I am taking contents from 5 different advent calendars, opening them and talking about them because I'm going to be donating them to a nonprofit in Provo. I'll put a link in the description box down below about it, and there's more information about everything in the first video. So, first calendar is the OPI Nutcracker calendar. And this color is called It's a Girl. It looks fairly sheer. I can't really tell. I'm not going to open it. But it doesn't look totally opaque, so it might just be a nice sheerish, not totally opaque pink. Pretty. Next is from the NYX calendar. And this is a liquid suede lipstick in Starstruck. Pretty. Next is the Body Shop. And this is Born Lippy Watermelon Lip Balm. Nice container of this. Feel unique. This feels like a tube of something. So this is Percy & Reed Hair Perfecting Wonder Balm. Miracle Leave-In Balm preps and primes your hair in readiness for any styling products and techniques. It makes your regular styling products work wonders, giving you more control and better results that last longer. And last but not least, Space & K. This feels like a lipstick. Lip gloss. Oh, Kevin Aquan lip gloss. The lip gloss in Sunlight. So I won't swatch, but I'll take it out. Oh, that's pretty. Really pretty, kind of goldeny bronze. Really pretty. Nice. So that was day 3. Stay tuned for day 4. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.